Mr. B's World Adventure, where wishes grow with your imagination.
Hello, it's arts and craft time. So I went to Peru recently and I bought these little toros, these little bulls. Look how cute, they're hand painted. And I got them in different colors. And each color represents like yellow, friendship, obviously red, passion, love. This one here, prosperity. Look how cute that turquoise is. I got the orange for the sun, beautiful life. Green for hope and prosperity. And let's see what we have here. I love that they come all like wrapped up nice, of course, so when I fly on the plane, it does not break, but I'm just excited. I got a lot of stuff and I'll show you as I go. Oh, and of course, purple. So the first step is going to be the nylon thread, which diameter is 0.039 thickness. And I got these to hang the mobile from. All the strings will be hanging here. And I also got a round one. I bought this little chain, which is really cool. I don't know if you could see that, but it's steel rings so that I can hang them from the top. Let's get started, shall we? The first step I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start hanging my little toros, my little bulls from the string. So I'm gonna take one little bull and it's got a little hole here, so I'm gonna go through the hole. I love it. Okay, so I'll come back after I string them all up so we don't waste time. So as you can see, I lined up all the little bulls so that way I can get the spacing right when I run the string. And now we're gonna attach our first little bull to the star shape. There you go. Now it's tied in. All right, I made one mistake, and that is I bought the nylon that's a little bit stretchy. So this is, I guess, for making necklaces and stuff like that, but it works because now what I'm doing is I take the top and I fold it in, and then I put a little Scotch tape, and it doesn't look bad. It looks like this. Yeah, so I already did the red, the blue, I'm doing the turquoise now. Oh, and another thing that I discovered is not to cut the strings like in the size that you want it to drape. Make the strings one the longest, and then that way when I'm putting it on the base, I can do the height that I want on my mobile, okay? But it looks so good. It's gonna look great. I'll continue. This one is completely blocked. You see the hole? Completely blocked, but bad boy. Okay, let's tie this one up. Snip. So I had to get creative. So I'm using a microphone stand. Of course, it was my daughter's birthday the other day. And I rigged it so I put tie wraps right here and here. So that way I can literally work with it. This one's a little loose. So it's my little bulls. Now I have to adjust them all and cut off all the excess tips, but it's looking good. It was a little tougher than I thought to make, but it turned out really nice. Can't wait to hang it up. Yes. Here it is, so excited, so beautiful. The colors, it is amazing. I really love it. I love arts and crafts. Here's another version. I bought these little crystals at an arts and crafts store. They're called sun catchers, and I love it. Just the reflection, the vibe of it. I think one of the most wonderful things about doing arts and craft is the fact that it just takes you away from the normal life. You're just focused in on the art. You're focused in on the feeling that it gives you. And that's art. It creates a vibration, a feel, a sensation. So enjoy your time. Do what you love always. I'll see you soon.